Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Daniel and welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'm going to be talking about YouTube, how long it took me to get my YouTube to 1,000 subscribers and eventually monetization, and what it took me to get to that point, the things that goes on behind the scenes, and how you can do the same for yourself if you are interested in starting a business online, or you just have a general passion that you want to share with an audience. This video is going to help you have a general idea and have the right expectations when it comes to starting a YouTube channel. So if that's something that you're interested in, make sure to stick around, because I'm going to spill in all the details and all of the tricks and strategies that I've been able to use in order to get my video monetized in the space of 3 consistent months. I know getting your channel monetized takes anyone from 2 months to a year, and sometimes even more than that, but it's only taken me about 3 months from when I started getting consistent on the channel to when I finally got my channel to be monetized. So I just want to give you a general idea, and if that's something that you are interested in, make sure to watch this video till the very end, because you don't want to miss a thing. Also, if you have not subscribed, I want you to go hit the subscribe button right now, because this is like the perfect time to do that. And also like this video for the YouTube algorithm. Like Graham Stephan would say, annihilate the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Okay, so if that sounds good at this point, I'm just gonna dive right into the video and give you everything you need to know about starting a YouTube channel and eventually having it monetized and building your brand or your business with the same channel. So let's dive right into it. You know, just like anyone, I've always felt like having a YouTube channel was from a certain group of people with bright ideas, people who were funny, people who were smarter than me, way smarter than most people. But over the last 3 years, I have realized that YouTube has become a platform that gave everyone the same opportunity, puts everyone on the same level playing field. If anyone can get in front of a camera and be able to articulate their ideas and their passion and whatever it is they want to do, maybe that's sharing cat videos from the comfort of their chairs or just about pretty much anything, then you can amass an audience, you can have a loyal following on YouTube. And 3 years ago was when I started having the idea, but just like anyone, it felt so overwhelming and I didn't follow through with it. Of course, I put out videos here and there, but I just didn't have the right mindset, I guess, to start and grow my YouTube channel. And that was back in 2018. But fast forward to 2021, I've been able to grow my YouTube channel to well over 1,000 subscribers, which is like the huge benchmark for everyone. And now we are heading towards 3,000 subscribers. And just recently, I've been able to have my channel monetized, which is something that I am really happy about, because let's be honest, everyone wants to be on YouTube and make content, but at the same time, if you can get paid for it, why not do it, right? And far greater than the opportunity to get paid for doing something you love is also the opportunity for be able to build a community and to connect with a lot of people outside of your immediate environment. And that's something that YouTube has afforded me over the last couple of months. In fact, I get blown away every single day with the DMs and the comments and everything that I get sent, you know, when people tell me that the things that I share on this channel, whether that's how to start a business online, dropshipping with Facebook Marketplace, that this kind of things has helped them a lot, you know, see what's possible in terms of changing their lives. And that is something that I am immensely, you know, grateful for with YouTube. And I just want to share that with you as well, that if you want to start a YouTube channel today, it's not something that should be out of your reach. It's something that could provide you, you know, with the comfort, with the, you know, lifestyle that you want, you know, with that, you know, goal that you want to, you know, badly achieve. So I'm going to be sharing with you some of the things that I've learned over the last year, I would say, that has allowed me to grow my channel to over 1,000 subscribers, become monetized, and be able to share my passion and my ideas with a lot more people than I would normally be able to share with if I wasn't on YouTube. So the first question that I get a lot, or that I see many people ask often, is that, is it too late to start a YouTube channel in 2021? Now, in 2018, when I initially wanted to go all in on YouTube, that was the same question that I asked, and people have been asking the same question from 2018, from 2017, 2016, that is it too late to start a YouTube channel? And here we are in 2021 and people are still asking the same question. Well, let me tell you this, if it's possible for me to grow a YouTube channel, which in my wildest dreams I didn't think would be possible, then it is possible for anyone. I mean, I've been able to do this in the space of about 3 months. I mean, fast forward to the end of January when I started becoming consistent with, you know, putting out content on the channel. I was at 100 139 subs and 139 subscribers, which I gained between January and March of 2020. So this subscribers wasn't something that I gained, within 2021. No, I'd already amassed 100 subscribers in January of 2020 before I stopped completely. And at January 2021, I was at 139 subscribers. And if you look down right now, I don't know when you'll be watching this, maybe today or tomorrow or next year, you would see that we are way past 139 subscribers. And that I've been able to do within the space of 3 months. So if you ask me if it's possible to start a YouTube channel in 2021 or whenever you're watching this in the future, my answer would be yeah. YouTube is a platform that gives everybody the same level playing field. And you just need to know exactly what you want to talk about, have a strategy for delivering your content, and to just level up a little bit if you want to really stand out. Because let's be honest, there's a ton of people doing YouTube today. And if you want to stand out, you have to be doing something different or saying something different or deliver in a kind of different way. So to answer that first question of is it possible to even have a channel 2021 and grow it consistently, I would say the answer is yes. And you just need to get started in order to reach that milestone or to even have any audience at all. So get started today in 2021 or whenever you're watching this, because it is very possible to start a YouTube channel. Now, speaking of strategy, there's always a buzzword going around when you start researching starting a YouTube channel, and that is having a niche. Now, starting out, it's okay to not have a niche, because I didn't have a niche when I started out, 2 years ago, because I felt like I was multi-passionate and I want my channel to, be about the things that I love. At the same time, if you think that you can just start talking about your day and just filming daily vlogs, I can tell you category right now that your channel is not going to grow, because there's a lot of people doing these things already. When the likes of Casey Neistat came back, years ago and started doing daily vlogs, those were not something new, and they already had a background in filmmaking, and they had, I would say, something like a fun personality, which is not something that a lot of people would possess. So if you feel like you can become a Casey Neistat in 2021 or whenever you're watching this, that is going to be an uphill battle for you. But in case you don't have something like a general theme or a knowledge about subtopics under that theme, I would say still keep putting out videos, still film videos about the things that interest you, because at the end of the day, you will find something that really ticks. You will find something that your audience will love, something that they will keep coming back for. And even when you start finding those things, you need to have the kind of personality, the kind of knowledge or the know-how to be in front of the camera and to deliver your message in a cohesive way. So you can only get to that point by practicing every day, by putting out videos, by filming videos, and by playing with editing softwares, because you will be doing this by yourself anyway. So don't wait until you find that thing, because over the last couple of years, that's something that has held me back, something that has, really stopped me from putting out videos, because I thought, what, if I don't find something that I absolutely love, I'm not going to shoot videos. And once I started doing things, I stumbled upon Facebook Marketplace dropshipping, and I thought, what, it'll be cool to, share this experience and this process with a lot of people. And I started seeing my subscriber number going up and my views were going up. And that's something that's been the bulk of my content on this channel that a lot of people have been coming back for, including maybe yourself. So I just want to let you know now that it's okay to not have a general idea when you first start out, but just keep putting out videos, keep trying things, keep doing things that you love, and eventually you will find that thing and your audience will love you for it. So get started without a niche and you will find what works for you along the journey. So now that we get the basics out of the way, what do you really need to become a full-time YouTuber? Or let me say, to make the YouTube journey fun for you. One, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to become monetized, to get paid for shooting videos, for recording videos, just like I'm doing right now. Now, 1,000 subscribers, I feel like is relatively easy than getting 4,000 watch hours, because I hit that within 2.5 months. I think my projection was to hit 1,000 subscribers by mid-April, but I did not eventually reach that number until the first day of May. And that was relatively easy, because up until that point that I hit 1,000 subscribers, I still did not have my 4,000 watch hours, because that is really hard to hit. So what did I do? I knew exactly that in order to get 4,000 watch hours, I need to be able to have the watch time and have a really high retention rate on my videos. And I started putting out a lot of videos, like long form content, over 10 minutes, 15 minutes long. And one thing that really helped me, that really pushed me over that hump, was doing YouTube live streams. Live streams are really powerful. So if you're just starting out and you haven't reach your 4,000 watch hours, or you want to get to that 4,000 hours watch time faster, you need to start doing live streams, because that is really going to push you over the hump. Eventually your live stream is going to extend for maybe an hour or an hour and a half, and if you're able to retain people on that live stream and you're able to redirect them back to those videos, you will just see your watch time go up, all the way up. So that is something that I did. I did a video on TikTok that really got a lot of exposure, over 1 million views right now. Then I started collecting emails. So inside of that emails, I would direct those people in my emails directly to my live stream videos, and that was what really helped me get over 4,000 watch hours within the space of 1 week. And that's how I was able to get my channel monetized, because if I hadn't done that, I would still be trying and struggling to reach 4,000 hours. So that is what you need to get monetized. You need that 1,000 subscribers, and you need the 4,000 hours watch time in order to get monetized on YouTube. Now, monetization on your YouTube is cool. I love it, but at the end of the day, you want that to be just one of your income streams. And that is why I recommend that as your channel starts growing, you should be looking at ways to monetize your channel even without having the YouTube AdSense on your videos. Now, what I've been able to do is what is called affiliate marketing in my videos. I started promoting products in my videos back when I had 300 subscribers, and I'd been making money from this channel even way before I got monetized. And if you watch some of my previous videos, I talk about some softwares that I use with my Facebook Marketplace dropshipping business, and the same software that I use, I talk about a lot on this channel. So I thought, you know what, why not get paid for talking about these softwares that I use? So if you've ever downloaded probably ZDrop or IBM Fox, which I talk about a lot on this channel, I do not own these companies, I just use the softwares and I love them a lot. I talk about using my coupon code that gives you 10% off and 7 days free trial. I talk about them on this channel, and once you use those coupons, I get a tiny commission from the sale of that software. So that is how I've been able to monetize my channel from get-go. So now I have other links on my description. I promote an affiliate marketing product, and if anyone is interested in getting started with affiliate marketing and they click on that link, they instantly get directed to the product page, and once they purchase, I get a tiny commission. So monetization is cool, but you want to be able to look for ways to monetize your channel even without having AdSense, and that is one of the ways to start doing it. You can start making money from your channel even without having monetization at all, and that should be the goal once you start building your channel. Find products around the house that you love using, things that you can talk about and people can, benefit from. All you have to do is reach out to the company, get an affiliate link, put it in your description, and before you know it, you start generating commissions from the sale of this product. So don't wait until you have 1,000 subscribers before you start monetizing your channel. So it's going to be very different for a lot of people, the paths that we take in order to attain this goal of this dream of having a YouTube channel. But I can tell you this right now, if that is something that you want for yourself, it is very possible even in 2021. All you have to do is just get started, make sure you have your ducks in a row, have the right strategy, and you can do this. If I'm able to do it, I think everyone can do this. So I want to thank you, all of you who have recently subscribed and who have been here since the start of this very YouTube channel. I want to thank you guys so much for being around, for being supportive. And if you ever have any questions, that's Facebook marketing, because I'll be doing more videos regarding that, and affiliate marketing as well. But I just felt like this was a very fun topic for me to want to talk about, because at the end of the day, I want to share every strategy that you can take in order to, start a business online and start having this, passive income lifestyle that you've always dreamed of. So this is just one of the ways. And if you have any questions, make sure to leave them down in the comment box, and I will be sure to get to them. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram, because I reply all my DMs. I may not reply immediately, but I will eventually get to them. Anyways, thank you guys for watching the video till the very end. I appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one.